Original issue discount, or OID, sounds technical, but it's really just a way to describe how some bonds pay you interest. An OID bond is issued at a price lower than its face value, or what it will be worth when it matures. Think of it like buying a gift card for $20 that you can eventually redeem for $25. You earn the difference. Unlike bonds that pay cash interest payments twice a year, OID bonds grow in value as they approach their maturity date. While traditional bonds pay cash coupons, OID bonds essentially roll that interest into the final payout, which changes how you handle your taxes. As the bond moves toward maturity, its value steadily climbs. The IRS looks at this annual growth to determine your taxable interest income. Always check your tax forms, because this interest is often taxable every single year, even if you haven't received a cash payment yet. Understanding bond mechanics helps you plan your tax strategy more effectively. Subscribe for more money basics and hit that like button.